Hi guys, this is your girl, her Destiny. Look at me out here in this rain. I am underneath a big tree. I had just taken a little walk to the store and right across the street from where I live, and I decided to just film the little raindrops. Yes, I've got my headgear, my umbrella. Oop. And I am all ready. So I just decided to film the little raindrops for you guys, and hope you like it. And I hope my camera is turned the right way. Actually, I'm turning it sideways because it has been recommended to me to turn it sideways so that I can get more out of my viewing time. Make it more up close and personal. So that is what I'm trying to do. Well, it is Thursday, you guys. It is another great day, as I said earlier, and I am out here in the rain. Remember the song, I Want to Go Outside in the Rain? Yes. It may sound crazy, but I want to go outside in the rain. This is your girl, her Destiny, bringing you this video on this Thursday. And I hope you enjoyed. It's just a little short video, which I'm going to be doing a couple of short videos here or there. And I'm looking right at the camera, but it doesn't seem like I'm looking at you guys. But you know I'm looking at you, right? Yes, I hope you do. Have a great day, everybody. And I hope you can see these beautiful raindrops. Trying not to turn my phone off. I think it's still recording. Yes. Let me see. I'm not too good filming this way because I normally have my tripod, so I'm trying to see if I can turn this around to make sure you guys see it. But either way, there's the raindrops, guys. Raindrops are falling on my head. Yes, indeed they are. Okay. Trying to make sure you got a good view here. And I think what I did, I meant to turn my camera around, and I'm not sure that I did that. So, let me try this again, and I hope you can see these raindrops. Oops. And of course, that big old truck wants to come by while I'm doing filming. They need to keep it moving. Yes, they do. The big, beautiful raindrops. And I'm sure you can hear the rain falling on my umbrella. And I'm sure someone is out here saying, what is that woman doing over there? And why is she in the rain with the umbrella, standing still, filming raindrops? So many questions, so little answers. It is what it is. I certainly hope you can see these raindrops because I did not turn my phone flash on, and I've only got two hands, and I do not want to drop my phone. That would be a big mistake. Yes, it would. Maybe you can see them a little better now if I take the umbrella from over the phone. There you have it, guys. Little raindrops, big raindrops. Look at all the beautiful circles of rain. Isn't that beautiful? You just have to see the beauty in everything, almost everything. Some things there may not be beauty, but in all nature, I see a little bit of beauty in everything. Look at all those drops of circles. Isn't that beautiful? And the little bubbles coming up. It's so many different things going on. You've got the circles of all different sizes from the raindrops. Then you've got bubbles coming up. And actually the water is talking. You can hear the bubbles saying something. I'm not sure exactly what they're saying, but they're saying something. Yes, they are. Okay. Well, I am back. I am back. And I've got my umbrella safely keeping the rain off of me. I just had to film this. Why not? I'm out here anyway. Might as well make something of it. This is your girl, Her Destiny. Just coming through.